Okay, okay. So, okay. So, any else? Mrityunjay, you have
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt?
Sir, repeat the topic of mensuration.
Okay, okay, okay. Right. So, see, basically, yeah. So, mensurations, if I say in the brief way, what is that the meaning of mensurations there? So, mensuration is nothing but the measuring mathematical shapes of an object, correct? No? So we are just measuring the mathematical shape of an object because we have, suppose if I'll see in the real life, so many things are there which are having the shape of mathematical type, correct? No? Suppose if I having the table, so that is also shape of rectangle type. And suppose building, that is if I'll see from the different angles, it will look differently there. So some people will make like a circle, like dome type structures. Someone will make like a rectangle, means that front face rectangle type structure. Someone will make like a square type structures, correct? So this type of measurement, so how we can justify how much, suppose if I want to construct a building, so how much things I can keep there. So suppose if I want to fix two tables and suppose two bed in that one room, so how much area I need to get so I can I have to build my room according to that, correct? So I need the perfect measurement so I can build those things exactly. Okay, so that is the purpose. Actually, they started the mensuration there, and so let's see what are the topics are there in that mensuration. Means what are the things which are there. Suppose I think so. From the eight, if I'll say we are having a circle, correct? We are having a square, so correct, or we can say quadrilaterals, and we are having triangles. So these all are is nothing but two-dimensional things, correct? So why I'm saying this is two dimensions? So here that can I draw in that two ways, correct? So these are the two-dimensional sets. Same things if I observe from that real life, so that will goes on type on like 3D. So same thing can be converted as a circle will be converted as a sphere, like square, and coordinators will be give a shape like cube and cuboid, correct? And so triangle will give the shape like a pyramid or prism, like that, pyramid or prism, like that. Okay, so that depends on that one. So in your classes, so basically they will give you the terms. So first they discuss regarding the cube. Okay, okay, cube. So in the cube, we know that how many faces are there within the cube?
Yes, sir.
Six faces are there, correct? So if I'm saying cube, so if 2D, if I this is a 3D structures, if I'm saying a 2D, so 2D we can call it as a square, which are having the same side, same length of side. Suppose this will be also A. So if I say, if I get the one face of this one, it will be look like this one, square, correct? So this type of thing, how many faces are there in that cube? Total 6 faces are there. Correct. Like that, how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. So each faces, we know that a square, what is the area of a square? Area of a square is how much?
Side square.
Side. Side there, A is a side, means I can write A into A is nothing but A square. So if I am saying for one face of that cube, that will be the A square. So similarly, how many faces we are having this? So total 6 faces are there, correct? So total 6 faces are there. If I say this a square, a square, a square, a square, a square, a square, if I add these things, correct? Okay, so what I'll get that 6a square, correct? So this is nothing but total surface. Surfaces means suppose if I am saying what is the surface part of this board, so surface which we can touch from one faces there, so that will be the surfaces there. So if I say total surface means I have to count all the faces there. So total 6 faces are there, and we can call it as a total surface area of cube. That is, we can call it as a TSA. TSA is nothing but total surface area of cube, and we can write it as a 6a square. Now, curved surface area. Curved surface area means, suppose here we calculated 6 faces, each faces. But sometimes they may not ask you, okay, you have to ignore the top part or bottom part or side part, something like that. So that depends on how you require. Suppose if I want to, suppose if I have a cube type table, and I want to fix that table in suppose in a wall side. Suppose if I say, so I have a wall is there, and I want to fix a cube here. That will be okay. So I want to face a cube here. Okay. So what I can do here, suppose this side, whatever these sides are attached with that wall. Okay, this side is attached with that wall. So if I want to paint all sides except this side, that back side, it means, and this is bottom side. This one is the bottom side which is attached with the floor. Correct. So I don't want to means if I paint this side and this side, no one will see these two side faces. So there is no need to paint those two sides. Okay. So in that type of scenario, that according to how the people will require, means as per their requirement, they will take out the curved surface area. Okay. They will take out the curved surface area, which means which face they want to ignore. So what I am doing here, I am ignoring one this faces, down faces, and this side faces. This totally we are ignoring two faces. So if I can write it as 4a square as a curved surface area. If they ignore three faces, maybe they want to ignore three faces. So I have to subtract that also. So I have to, the curved surface area will be 3a square. So that depends on the requirement, curved surface area will change it. Understand this one? So understand how you get the total surface area there of cube. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So see, cube and cuboid is almost same one. Correct? Why same? Because they are having the face flat surfaces. Correct. But only one changes is there. What is that changes? Their length and breadth and height all are same. Correct. This is length, this is height, and if I say this will be the breadth, it all are same. Let it be A or whatever the side you want to mention, all are same. But here I can't say all are the same. If I am saying this is A, this is the C. Let it be height I am saying H. Correct. Or length if I am saying mentioned as a L, and this is mentioned as a B. Correct. B is nothing but B, means breadth. So here all length dimensions are different as compared to the cube, but things are same. If I want to find the TSA, so I have to add all faces. Correct. Sometimes it will be look like that. So if I say this cuboid, so all faces are different. If I see from this side, it will look like that. If I see from this side, it will look like that. If I see from this side, maybe this will be look like this one. So here all faces are same, means, but their opposite faces will be the same. So if I'm saying this one and 2, this will be 2, this is 3, this will be also 3. Means total we are having 3 pairs which are same. So if I am saying L into H, so total we are having two faces. If I am saying 2 into BH and 2 into HL. So what is the total surface area? If I say 2 common, so LB plus BH plus LH or HL. So this is a TSA, total surface area of cuboid. So that is the difference between cube and cuboid here actually. Understand? So if I want to let it be, do some questions, then you can understand that one. Okay. So try to write the questions. So if you understand or not, then we will do it again. This one. So let it be one cube is there of side. So cube of side, let it be 15, 8 centimeter. Find total surface area and curved surface area. Here only top not included. Okay, so try to find out this one, how much you are getting there. So you have to find the cube of sides 8 centimeter is there. Find PSA and CSA of this two things. Try to find it out this one. Okay. Is it visible? Board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So try to find out the CSA and PSA of this one, and another one. Cuboid whose dimension are 5 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Okay, find PSA and curved surface area. Here also top not included. Okay, here also top not included. So tell me how much you're getting for that cube. So according to that, I'll just mention this one. So just first, I'm just giving you the PSA surface area type because we are just handling the two-dimensional things here. Okay, so we will come after this. We will discuss the volume part of this one. Then we will go to the cuboid and other cylinders and cone. The standard 9 is also there, so you also can do that because these things are there in your syllabus also, and it's given in the standard 10 also. So for the standard 10, and that will be move towards like the practical types. So we will discuss those things also. So anyone who got that answer? Ritunjay, did you get the answer? Anyone? What is the TSA of total surface area of that cube?
Sir, 384.
Yeah, why you are getting 8 centimeter? So if I am saying TSA, total surface area is nothing but 6 into side square, I said, correct? So what you have to 6 into Side square means 8 centimeter whole square. 6 into
Yes, sir.
64
64.
square. So how much? 6 4s are 24. 6 is 36 plus 2, 38. So 384
Yes, sir.
centimeter.
384
Correct. So
square.
one faces area is 64 centimeter square. So 6 faces means 64 plus 64 plus 64 6 times if you add, you can get 384, or else you can multiply 6 into 64. Now, if I'm saying CSA is nothing but curved surface area, and if I just I said top is only included, means only one faces is included. So what I have to do? 5 into side square, correct? Because only one face is ignored here, so no need to see, because no need to see which part is ignored, because if this is the square, all sides having the same dimensions, so only one side you can subtract easily there. So no need to see which side is top one or bottom one. So when we come to that cuboid parts, then that time we have to observe properly there, means which side they are asking for ignore. So 5 into 64 centimeter square. So basically 5 into
Yes, sir.
5 4s are 20.
256.
Yeah. So 530, 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32, no? Correct. 320 centimeters square. So from this you have to subtract the 64, correct? No? If you subtract 64, you'll get how much? 64 means 60 subtracting 320 plus 4 is minus 4 is 320 centimeters square. Correct? So now this is all about the cube. So understand this one, how to find the cube, TSA and the CSA of cube. Okay. So let's discuss regarding the cuboid part. So now for cuboid, TSA we can do easily, no problem. TSA for cuboid, see, given the dimension as a 5 into 6 into 8, that means they are mentioned as a length into breadth into height. So if I say length is nothing but 5 centimeter, breadth is 6 centimeter, and height is, it will be 8 centimeter. So you have to predict like that. Now draw the cuboid part. First, draw the figure there so you can understand for this, because cuboid are having the different things. Okay, so I just draw this one. So if I'm saying this is a length, this is length, this is a 5 centimeter, let it be, this is 6 centimeter, and this is height is 8 centimeter. Correct. So TSA is no changes there. 6 into length into breadth. 6 into 5, 30 centimeter square. Because formula you need to write here. So write first formula there. So 2 into length into breadth.
LB plus.
Length into height into length. Correct. So now just substitute the value here. So if I am substituting here, so 2 into now length into breadth. 5 into 6, how much? 30 centimeter square. Plus breadth into height. This is a breadth, this is height. 8 5 is a 40 centimeter square plus, and height into breadth. So 8 6 are 48 centimeter square. So if I add 2 into, this is 30 40 70 70 plus 40, how much? It's nothing but 110 plus 8 8 centimeter square. So multiply with 2, you have to double this one. Into 2 is nothing but, you have to double. Double is nothing but 16, 2, and this is 3, 236 centimeter square. This is nothing but TSA of given cuboid. Understand? Understand this? So now
Yes.
for CSA, actually, for CSA, now you have to see here which part they mentioned, top part. So this part you have to ignore. So this part is nothing but length is included here 5 centimeter.
पहले उसको लिखते हैं
Yes.
स्कूल निकले मैंने लिखा ना वो
Yeah. So breadth 6 centimeter, length 5 centimeter, breadth 6 centimeter means only one BH is lowered. Correct. Sorry, BH, not BH, LB is lowered. So one LB is there, BH is there.
स्कूल में उत्तर
Do you have any doubt?
No.
Yeah. So now, what is the length into breadth? 30 centimeter square. Why I did not written here this formula? Because I have to ignore one part here. Correct. Only the top part here. So I just subtracted this part because 2 LB is there. I need to subtract 1 LB from this. So how much LB will there? Only 1 LB will there. Correct. So that's why I just mention as a 1 LB, because one length and breadth, this part will be, top part will be ignored there. 2 BH means 2 into B into H. This 6 into 8 is 48 centimeter square. Okay. Then 2HL. 2HL means this is L. H means 2 into 40 centimeter square. So how much? 30 centimeter square plus 48 twos are. So if I say 50 twos are 100, this is 2 less, means nothing but you get 96 centimeter square, means 4 double you are doing, means this is 80 centimeter square. Correct. So if I do this one, so how much you can get here? 30 plus 96 plus 80. So how much you can get? Just 0, 6, then 8, 8, 16, 17 plus 3, 20. Correct? Centimeter square. Understand this one? Or else only one part you need to subtract, means 6 into 30 you have to subtract. From there also you can subtract directly, then get 206 centimeter square. From this also you can get it. Okay? Understand this? So now if I'll discuss the volume of this cube and cuboid. So now I just worried regarding the face part, surfaces part, means we are just discussing regarding 2 dimensions. So I need to include volume, means so I have to include one more dimensions, and I can convert it as a 3 dimension, and we can call it as a volume for that. Okay. So we know that the volume is nothing but, if I say the base area, one formula is base area, whatever the base area into height. Correct? Simply we can call it as a volume there. So if I am saying regarding the cuboid, let it be cube. Okay. So what is the base here? So base is nothing but square, and one height is, another height is added there. So if I say the volume of this square is nothing but one square area into height. So what is square? This is area of this square is nothing but side square. Correct? One more side is included because all length, breadth and height are same, so we can find it as side cube. So let it be the same question for this one. If the side is 8 centimeters, what will be the volume of this one? What is the volume of this one? So if side is 8 centimeters, so volume is nothing but 8 centimeter whole cube. So say, remembering square up to 1 to 30 square and 1 to 10 cube is very important, because once you remember this thing, then the terms will be very easy for you. Okay, what the things can be do like that, means okay, what is the 8 cube there? So if you know this one, then you can very easily deduct it. So 8 cube is how much? Aniket, I hope you know that one. Aniket, what is 8 cube? Huh? What is 8 cube? So let's check how many are there in that. Yeah. So okay, Palak, what is 8 cube beta?
512
512 centimeter cube also
centimeter cube.
multiplied 3 times, so centimeter
Yes,
cube
sir.
here. Okay. So now this is all about cube. So same for cuboid also, the formula will be the same. Base area into cuboid means height. So if I am saying for cuboid, okay. So this is length, this is breadth, this is height. So base is nothing but rectangle. So volume of cuboid is nothing but base, means base area. Base is look like area of rectangle, correct, into height. Okay. So area of rectangle is nothing but we know that L into breadth, length into breadth, and what is the height here? H. So L into B into H will be the formula for cuboid. So just find the volume for this one: 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Let it be. This is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Find out the volume of cuboid. This one. Make it fast.
Sir, 60.
3 centimeter
Sir, 60 centimeters.
into 5 centimeter. Basically 3 4 of 12, 12 5 is 60 centimeter.
60 centimeters square. Cube.
Yeah. So I'll give you one different things. So that questions actually. A cuboid, write the question this one. A cuboid whose volume is a cuboid whose volume is 280 centimeter cube, and its height is 14 centimeter. Find the base area. Do it this one. So this is quite easy actually. So a cuboid whose volume is 280 centimeter cube. A volume is 280 centimeter cube, and its height is 14 centimeter. And its height is 14 centimeter. Then find the base area. Then find the base area.
20 centimeter cube.
20 centimeter cube.
No,
So
sir, 20
centimeter.
20 centimeter only.
20 centimeters.
I
Yes.
am confused, Palak. I am confused here. No need to confuse there. See,
Okay, sir.
if I say, you know that volume is nothing but base area into height, correct? Base area into height. They gave you the volume 280 centimeter cube. Base area they given, so keep base area only. And height they mention as a 14 centimeter. So just change it there. Base area I'm keeping here, and I'm sending this 14 this side. So 280 centimeter cube divided by this 14 centimeter, correct? So 1 centimeter will be cancelled here, okay? And 14 twos are 28, correct? So this 20. So base area is 20 centimeter square, because this is an area, 2 dimension. So 2 dimension must be considered here, correct? In that dimension, this unit is very important to understand. So if you somebody will try these questions at suppose cbse, and if you fail to write, suppose in place of centimeter square, if you write centimeter also, they will cut half marks here. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, so don't be confused in that. Nothing but just if you understand what is the area is 2 dimension. What is the volume? Volume is 3 dimension things. Correct. If they are saying regarding the line or perimeter or circumference, that will be the 1 dimension. Correct. 1 dimension. So that depend on that. This power will be 1. This power will be 2. This power will be 3. To that you can verify whether that things are correct or not. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So I want to add one more thing that. So let's discuss regarding. So now any other, so should I continue this conjuration or anything else you want to ask? So okay, so any other subject you want to take for this live session, is doubt sessions, you can discuss with us, no problem. Which session you want for the next?
Science. Science.
Biology. So you can write it there. You can, because your voice is not audible, I think. You can write it there in the chat box there, so we can understand. So Akhil sir, once check this one. I think they are saying for biology, I think, correct? Yeah, chemistry you want. Okay. Definitely you could do that one. Yeah. So should I go for the cylinder, or you want to ask me and other things discuss? Should I discuss cylinder, or you want to ask anything else?
No, sir.
See, daily now we already fixed the day there. So Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, I'll be there to discuss the things there on mathematics. Okay. So any class, any class. Okay. Irrespective of any classes, you can join the sessions from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. So in these times, I'll discuss your doubt there. Whatever doubts you're having in the mathematics in any chapters, just come and join that time, and we will discuss the topic on that. Okay. Okay. So these are the fixed day I'll come. Definitely. And how you are showing that chemistry you need, or any other subject if you want, then just tell us like that only. Suppose the next day. So Akhil sir, can we manage the chemistry classes for next one? So we will inform you according to that. Okay. So I'll inform you means when you are having the chemistry classes. Hopefully we will try to conduct tomorrow also. Okay. So I'll share those things to you. Okay, so next class definitely will be for chemistry only. Okay, and this will be always there. Don't forget. So anytime you want to, if you want to share these things, so definitely we will discuss the things there. Okay, understand everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's see regarding the cylinder. Anything else you want to discuss? Tell me, Aniket.
No, sir.
Your assessment is coming here there. So you all need to discuss anything else. So see, don't be means confused there. Okay, you want to ask me anything there in that topic regarding that. So we will discuss on that. So basically, we are focusing right now for CBSE there, and we are just uploading so many videos on that, mathematics, yeah, chemistry, you have science there. So we have a lot of teachers are there in that. They are explaining in a different way. For the same subject, we are having a different teachers also. Okay, so come and just see the things there, easy.
Sir,
Okay. Tell me.
may you please discuss intercept theorem again?
Intercept theorem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, intercept theorems means regarding which one?
Sir, in quadrilateral there is midpoint theorem.
Okay. Quadrilaterals midpoint theorems there. Okay, so standard 9 there, na? Yeah.
Yes,
so see,
sir.
yeah. So in that intercept theorem, so I need to see that one actually. So then we can go in with this one. Okay. So just give me 1 minute. So I'll just share those things to you. Okay.
So I have read that in RS Agarwal book.
Yeah, no problem, because that things are not there in CBSE actually. So how they mention in that in your syllabus, so we will see according to that. Okay, so give me 1 minute for this one. One minute. So okay, I'll check that one and I'll get back to you. Then this one intercept theorems, actually that is not there in the CBSE syllabus. So just give me 1 minute time is for that. I'll check that. So yeah. You see, basically that intercept point. So I'll give you regarding. So did you learn about the line? Line, correct?
Yes, sir.
So in line, okay, in line, what we can have. Suppose if I'm saying 2 lines are there, correct? So if 2 lines are there, either they will be parallel or whatever it is. If some other line is there which is intercepting this one, let it be both the lines. So if one line is intersecting other line, we are saying intersect. Correct. Correct. If that intercept point, suppose if I'm saying this line, they are intersecting at the particular point, so intercepts points here. Okay. So these things are called, we call it as a transverse. Okay. So if the
Yes.
right, anything else you are asking there? Okay. So see in the 10th sessions, what happened? Why these things are important? There in transverse means that intercept there. Suppose if some lines are there, and if I want to divide that line in a particular way, suppose means how ratios, in what ratios we are going to divide that line. So in that scenario, we can use this intercept formula there. Okay, so suppose what things that we have given up to the 10th one. I just give you this one. Wait 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. So suppose if these lines are there, okay, and if I'm saying, so actually these are from the up to 10th. If I say regarding intercept means they can call it as a Thales theorem also, correct? Which is there in your 10th sessions. Okay, so what they are saying is that Thales theorem. Suppose if you are having a triangle, okay, and if you are having the triangles, and if one midpoint is there for this triangle A, B, C, and this is a little bit D and E here. Okay, so if that point which is parallel to this third one, okay, if this line is parallel to the third line, then I can write it as this AD, the part, this AD by DB is equals to AE by EC here. Okay, that is the conclusion therein. That means they can find what is the line. I just discussed regarding the line. Two lines are there. If I bisect this, suppose in what scenario this line is suppose it parallel lines that before we learned in the junior classes regarding corresponding angles and like that, corresponding angles or alternate interior angles like that. So in the triangle, if they bisect each other, they will give you the ratio of their side here. Understand? Okay, this ratio, if they divide in this way, these ratios, side ratios will be equals to this side ratio like that. Okay, so how they will include it here means suppose these two lines are parallel. Suppose how they implement these things here. These two lines B and BC is parallel lines, and if I mention two angles here, two triangles here, that will be these two triangles are there in between these two parallel lines. Triangle DEB and suppose DEC. So these triangles and this triangle, if I'm saying, or I can say like that this way. Okay, so two triangles are having DCB, and let it be, suppose if I'm saying this one and this one and this triangles and these triangles. So according to that, they will provide if the triangles having the same base. Understand? So actually in the 10th, in the 9th sessions, they mention as if the area means having the same base between the two parallel lines, then that two triangles are having the same area if the base are having the same base and between the same parallel lines. So they same theorem, means things they continue for that Thales theorem in the 10th session. Understand? So what is the things they given in your syllabus? If under the two parallel lines, if two triangles are there having the same base, then the both triangles are having the same area actually. Understand? So if I am saying these triangles and these triangles, which are having the same parallel lines, which are having the same base BC, I can say these triangles and these triangles are having same area according to that. And from this, they can prove these theorems here. Okay, so when you come in that 10th sessions or when in next sessions, I'll discuss those regarding Thales theorem also, which is there in the 10th class syllabus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So in basically in your means a class, they mention as the parallel lines, and according to that they give you the theorems here, and the same theorems they included in that 10th class, which is very important here regarding the Thales theorems. Okay, so they discuss regarding this one, and from Thales theorems they just get this value, and according to this value they can ask the questions. Okay. So anything else you want to ask?
No, sir.
Yeah. So
No,
I need
sir.
to check up to which part they mention in your questions. So according to that way we can discuss those things. So intercept is nothing but that is if I say just crossing some line is cutting another line there. So that is the one's particular definition for intercept actually. Okay. So anything more you want to ask here? Okay. Anything else you want to ask? Okay. So standard, how many are there in that? Yeah, somebody they written as a Pragya biology there. So okay, we will arrange both the things there, biology and chemistry. So the next we will adjust according to biology and that chemistry there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Anything more you want to ask, you can ask there, no problem. Anything else you want to ask, student? Student, anything else you want to discuss?
No, sir.
No doubt is there. So all topics are clear. Should I ask the question then?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So okay, I'll give you from this only. So questions. Two cube of side 6 centimeter and 8 centimeters are attached together and form cuboid. Find TSA, CSA and volume of that cuboid. Okay, do it this one. You're getting the answer there. So basically what they are doing here, so two cubes are there. Okay, and they are keeping Yeah, they kept like that. So, but one cube are having side 6 centimeter, one is having the side 8 centimeter here. Correct? Breadth will be the okay. Sorry. If I keep this one, cube of side 6 centimeter, it will be each. Then only we can 6 centimeters. So breadth will be 6 centimeter, height will be 6 centimeter. Okay, because they can't join exactly there. Okay, so that will be the problem for you to correct the answer. Okay, so this is length will be 6 centimeters. Total length of this cuboid is nothing but 12 centimeter, and this is breadth 6 centimeter and height 6 centimeters. Correct. So now what is the TSA? TSA is nothing but 2 into 6 into 12, 72 centimeters square. Okay, plus again BH is also same because breadth is 6 and this is 6 means 36 centimeters square plus, and HL is nothing but 6 into 12 means 72 centimeter square. Correct? So 72 how much we are getting? 144 plus 36. So 144 plus 36 how much? 50, 180. Correct? So 72,
Yes.
72 and 36. So 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 180. 180. So 180 into 2 is nothing but 360 centimeter square. Okay, so this is about the TSA. CSA means you did not mention anything in that, which part we ignore. So simply you have to write 2 into LB plus BH. Okay, LB plus BH or BH plus HL. BH plus HL. That you can, top and bottom part you can ignore. Okay, so top and bottom part you can ignore means HL is nothing but height and this one, so 2 into 72 centimeters square plus BH is 36 centimeters square. So how much I am getting? 2 into 72 plus 36 how much? 10 and 108 centimeters square. So 2 into 8 means 16. 216 centimeter square per CSA. Correct. So what is the volume of this cuboid? The volume of cuboid is nothing but cuboid. Okay. Volume of cuboid 6 into 6 into 12 centimeter cube. So how much? 6 is 36 into 12. So multiply this one. Centimeter cube. How much are you getting there? How much are you getting? 36 into 12. How much?
42.
So if you want to multiply, you can do 360 into 10. How much? 360 into 10 is nothing but 360 plus 36 into 2 means how much? 72. So it's nothing but how much? 2, 13, 32. Okay. So now do one more last questions and time is there. So a cuboid right there, a cuboid of dimension cuboid of dimensions 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter are keeping a iron cuboid. Iron cuboid of dimension 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeters are melted and convert 1 minute 6 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay, and convert it into a with that on 4. This is 4. Let it be 4. Converted into a 2 small cube. What is the dimension of cube? What is the dimension of cube? Do it this.
Sir, the each side of two cubes will be 6 centimeter.
Okay, fine, good. So, others, did you get the answer? So, how we have done this one? Simply, what you have to do, volume of, because they have iron, they are melted there. The total we have to consider now. So, I can't see the surfaces there. I need to include all the volume. So, volume of cuboid is equals to 2 into volume of cube. Correct. The volume of cuboid is nothing but 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter equals to 2 into, we know that side cube. Correct. No? Okay. So how much we can get there? So 2 is a side cube is there. Cube, so we can get it as 3 to the 6, 36 centimeter cube. So side will be cube of 36 meter. Okay. I think you have done regarding side square, correct? Pragya.
Yes.
So cube is there. So if I make that make it almost 6 there, suppose if I'm saying this is make as a 4 and make it as a 6, 36 into 6. So 9 4s are 9, 2s are 18. No problem. You can keep the answer like that. No need to confuse in that. 4 and 3 centimeter. You can get the answer. This is cube root of 36 meters there. Okay. So I just made this question as it is there. That's why this type of things are coming here. So you understand, these are the types of questions. These are the practical way of questions you can analyze to done these things there. Okay. So how, just you have to understand how the things are going over there, because now they are asking the questions, how much you understand. Based on that, they can keep the questions there. Okay. So okay, everyone, and in the next classes, definitely we will provide you regarding your chemistry and the biology things there, and we will see those things also. And Monday, Wednesday, or Saturday, definitely I'll join with the classes. Okay. So, okay, thank you everyone. Keep watching that SchoolQuizz.com, and forward these videos there, so student, those who not understand these chapters, they can understand, and whatever the doubt you are having, so keep those doubts in that next class, and we will discuss on those doubts. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you for that.